So at school I was able to get some English work done, and I was watching some Lisa mentor videos because I'm starting to stan Blackpink. Anywho, after that, class lasted for about 2 hours, and then I started heading home with my little sister on the subway, and our subway ride is usually about an hour, and then we hop on the bus. So now I'm back home from school. I got back at around like 12:15, which is usually the time I get back. The way my school works is that you only go to school like every other day, and you only attend one class for about like 2 hours, and then you just come back and then you do your other class online. So I have a call at like 1:30, so I have some time left. But yeah, so right now I just finished organizing everything, and yeah. So let's see what my specific to-do list is. I love this planner. I literally got this at like the dollar store, and I love it. My schedule has been so hectic these days. Like, literally, look. This was my schedule this week. And right now, my schedule for next week is empty, but I know on Monday I'm gonna have lots of things to do. So today, I just have to finish one assignment and then do my call, and that's it. So today's a pretty chill day. I'm a senior in high school, and I'm currently in Canada, and I'm applying to schools in the US. So I have to do a separate kind of process than the kids at my class. So I'm just making sure everything's set for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some schoolwork. I have my computer right here. Insert time last year. A wonderful day, y'all. I saved my boba from last night. If you live in the GTA, the Greater Toronto area, I recommend Chow Time. It's probably the most mainstream thing you can buy in Canada. But listen, I'm not from this land. I'm from America. So this isn't mainstream to me, honey, so I'll enjoy it all I want. This is Thai tea. Red Thai tea, y'all. This is extraordinary. Anywho, I finished my Zoom call with my teacher and my literature circle group, and it was quite successful. I'm a little worried about my final essay for the class, though, because I have to change one aspect of it, and it may change everything, but luckily I only just started, but I put in a lot of hours of work for the research part of it. But you know, it's okay. So we're going to see what my teacher thinks about it. Sent her a message. We're going to see about that. The plans for the rest of today. See what my teacher sends me. If she says I need to restart, basically, then I'll start to do that. If I'm good, I'm going to relax. But right now, I'm going to kind of clean my room, dust some things off. So I'm going to listen to Blackpink and other artists while I clean my room. Let's get started. Y'all, I'm editing this right now, and I'm seizing. Do you see this little dance? Ah! I'm crying. Whatever. Okay, so I just finished reorganizing and packing my books. And did I make any progress? Yes and no. I reorganized it all and it looks a lot better, but I didn't end up taking any of the books out because more than half of them I've already read, and the rest that are in here, I already have a book like it that I already like set aside. So if I need new books, I can always just like go to a used bookstore or thrift store. There's lots of new stuff coming out, so I think I'm good. My plans for the rest of today, are pretty much just like whatever I feel like. Right now I'm watching some RuPaul's Drag Race. I'm on season 12, so I'm just kind of doing that. And that's honestly pretty much it. I guess I can like chill and let you guys know about living in Toronto. So I moved here twice. I first moved here back in 2018, I believe it was, and I moved again then moved back. So I've been here in total about 2 years. Yeah, about 2.5 years, not back to back, just kind of stagnant. And it's really, really cool to go to school here. The first year I was in Canada, I went to like a normal public school, kind of like in the outskirts of the town. Now I go to school like within the city, and I have to take the subway, as you guys saw in the video, and buses and things like that. And this way it's a lot more exciting. Have seen how much like art is appreciated here within the city, and I really like it. So if you're interested in like moving here, and possibly going to high school here, I'm not sure how it is for college and university, but honestly it's really nice. The education here, it's pretty difficult. I remember when first transitioning, I had a little bit of a rough time, just because Florida education is like way easier than how it is here. So that's kind of the biggest difference. I would say my biggest issue is just the weather. In summer it's beautiful. Fall it's really pretty, but it gets cold starting the end of October. Literally, it gets cold so fast. It almost started snowing today, and it's the day before Halloween. Literally, as soon as Halloween hits, it's just winter time, and it's really rough. I'm lucky to be leaving before winter really starts, so I'm lucky on that end. But last year wasn't so lucky, and coming from a tropical place and then coming here, it was really difficult. So if you are already from the north and you already have experience with a cold, no problem. But I would say that seasonal depression or just mood changes because of the weather is a real thing. So keep that in mind if you are interested in coming here. Period, I really like to hear. I would recommend people to move here, but of course, like I said, it's just expensive. And the weather is pretty rough if you're not equipped for it, so that's the only thing I would say. But it's really nice. The people are nice, the food is great. Those are just my two biggest issues, just the weather and how much it costs to live here. But if neither of those are an issue for you, this is a really good place. And I love going to school in the city. It's just so fun. I feel like I'm in a coming of age film and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll kind of show you what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but it's nothing really too exciting. I've been getting requests to do a video like this, like a day in the life, like vlog kind of situation. I never really did it before because I don't think people would find it interesting, but if you have enjoyed it, let me know. I'd be really interested to see. So yeah, as you saw in the video, my day consists of school, coming back, eating lunch, chilling out for a little bit, more school, after that schoolwork, or I'm packing stuff to move, and that's basically my plans all this weekend, is just to keep packing. So I will be vlogging the trip over to where I'm moving, as well as just the whole process if you guys are interested in that. So yes, and that's pretty much it.